Okay, so my understanding is that this is from b part. We have log of this, and we want to write it in this form. And so a is this value, b is this value, the exponent. And so one of the things that I recognize is that this is log base 10. Okay, and so if I'm going to get rid of the logarithms to get just plain y, I'm going to raise this to the power of 10. Log here is equal to 10, 0.0795 log 10x plus 1.54. This side here becomes just y. Here I get 10 to the 0.0795 log x. And because it's plus, it's the same by using exponent rules as times 10 to the power 5.4. If I keep on going here, I recognize that this is 10 log x to the 0.0795. This is the exponent onto x up top here because it can come up by the power rules, times 10 to the power of 10 point, if I throw out my calculator, 10 to the power of 1.54, that is 34.7. When I work on this side here, that ends up being 10 and log cancel, and so it ends up being x to the power 0.0795 times 347. And so I know then that this here is the a value, and this here was the b value from there. I hope that helps. If you want more explanation or if that's not quite right, let me know.